Hi, I'm Kim, the Digital Resources Programmer here at Central Arkansas Library System. Have you ever wanted to cook a new dish, master your smartphone, or learn how to protect yourself from online scams? But maybe you find it hard to leave home. Well, check out GetSetUp. GetSetUp is an online learning platform designed especially for adults, ages 50 and over, but anyone can join. GetSetUp offers live, interactive classes on topics that help people stay connected, confident, and informed. Whether you are a total beginner or you're just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something for everyone. You can learn technology skills like social media, video calling, and cybersecurity. You can explore lifestyle topics like health, finance, travel, cooking, and crafting, and that just scratches the surface. Most classes run 30 to 60 minutes. They're all designed to be easy to follow and beginner-friendly. So, how do you access this learning tool? First, head to cals.org. Hover over the Learn tab at the top. Click All Research Tools. Under Tools A to Z, click Education. Scroll until you find GetSetUp and click View Tool. Click Go to GetSetUp and you'll be prompted for your library card and PIN. Type them in and click Login. If it's your first time using this tool, click Create a Free Account and sign up using your email address, your phone number, or a Facebook account. Now that's when we're in. Let's explore the database a bit. Once you are on the homepage, you will see carousels of videos. This is where you can find feature sessions, classes that are live now or starting soon, popular series, and topics like food, art, and more. Let's take a look at the live and starting soon row. This is the best place to find a class happening in real time. But if you're more of a planner, you can click the Classes tab at the top and select Calendar to find a class you're looking for. GetSetUp fits into your life. There are classes available every day. Some start as early as 6 a.m., and for the night owls, some classes end as late as 10 p.m. Be sure to check the schedule carefully. Some days can feature classes at different times. Exploring GetSetUp is just a few clicks away. Why not jump into a class today and see how simple it is to stay connected? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at askcals@cals.org or call us at 501-918-3000. Happy learning!